Now let us study the cantilever beam. Here let us first understand what is a cantilever beam. What is the definition of cantilever beam? So when we are talking about a cantilever beam, we say that the beam which is fixed at one support and free at another support. This type of beam we say as cantilever beam. This can be seen on our chhajjas of our windows. They are cantilever in nature. They are fixed at one end and free at the another end. Now let us understand the types of loading which can be there on a cantilever beam with UDL. So here it is a fixed beam on which uniformly distributed load is applied, but the amount or the intensity of load is 0 at the free end and it is maximum at the fixed end. So this is the cantilever beam with uniformly varying load. This case we have also derived the equation for movements and shear force for this uniformly distributed load. So on cantilever beam, the uniformly distributed load is applied on the whole length of the beam. This is the beam in which uniformly distributed load is applied, and this uniformly distributed load is applied on whole length of the beam, and on the free end a moment will also be applied whose amount is m. This is the beam. This is also cantilever beam, but in this beam the point load is applied at some distance from the fixed end or at some distance from the free end. It is not the centrally placed. Here the cantilever beam is given in which the point load is applied at the free end. We have also derived the shear force and bending moment equation for this in our previous lectures. This is the beam in which along with point load movement is applied. So it is a cantilever beam with point load and movement. Thank you.